Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento. So today we are going to learn how to create order programmatically in Magento 2 with guest. Okay, so previously it's like a logged in case, now it's a guest case. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do it. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like it, share it and comment on it. Okay, so let's get started. So here you can see that currently I have just placed the order right now and it's a guest order. Okay, you can see that it's just a guest order. You can here with the name, it's a pending order status, right? Account information, we have a shipping address, billing address, right? And the payment method and all, and here is the product. Okay, so how we are going to achieve all of this with the help of the guest one, let's have a look of it. Okay, so here we go with this part, right? And here this is the guest case. Okay, so here I have added the guest case part, right? So this is the guest part, right? So here I have just added order info of all the data, right? Here we have telephone, fax, or all. If you want that, you can also use that billing address, first name, last name, email, straight. So this you need to fill the full billing address and the shipping address at the on the behalf of the guest, whether it should be in the save in the address book or not, is default shipping, is to be true or one or zero. You need to all fill off the details, right? After this, the same thing we have to do is like here I have just load the customer by the email. Okay, you can see that I have just add the static part, first name. You can make it dynamic with the help of the REST API. Skype account is there, so I need to add the Skype. This is a custom attribute and the customer save, and I'm just creating the entity right at the moment. Okay, and here we go with this part, like set shipping method, billing address and all. After this, the whole payment method will go and just it will create the order. If you want to add the send email address, you can make this one send order set email, and also the order set email part also. Okay, so currently the email I haven't configured it, right? So I haven't added over here. Okay, so after this I have just in the response order ID and grand total, you can see that. Okay, if I'm going to place one more order, so I can just need to click over it. It's 003. I need to just place over it. So you need to if you want to make the dynamic, it's a post request. Make the JSON request, body should be the JSON, and put all the values that you need to dynamic, that should be taken place in the form of the guest. So you can take the billing address, shipping address, payment method, shipping method. Okay, after all this making the dynamic, it will convert into the REST API, and you will use it anywhere. Okay, so if I'm going to send it, currently you can see that it's 003. If I'm go and send this one, it's gonna be 004, right? And if I go and check the customers, okay, so look, okay, let's see the customers part. Here you can see that whatever I have made, it just created the customer, because here you can see that here we are just creating the customer. Okay, here you can see that we have just load by. If it is not, then we are just creating the customer here. Okay, saving the customer, return the customer ID. On the behalf of it, we are just sending all the data to it. Okay, so this is how we are creating the customer on the runtime with the help of whatever the data we are feeding into the REST API. Okay, and you can see that the order is placed, and if I go and just reload it, and here we go with this part, where is sales orders. So here you can see that the fourth order is there, and which is the order ID is 004. If I go and check this part, you can see that the whole information is there. Okay, so this is how we can make the guest order successfully in the Magento 2. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.